Okay.
ตอนนี้นะคะเด็กเข้ามาเปิดกล้องได้แล้วนะคะ
Good morning, everybody. Can you see me? Can you hear me? Everything okay? All right. This is Teacher Roy again. Welcome back in the rain. It was very wet this morning. I almost had to take a boat here. That's how much it was. But I got here. So today I'm going to look back a little at the cinema and omelette and food that we did last week. And also today we will start looking at new words, and it will be musical instruments today. So that's what we're going to do. So today is what? It is Thursday, the 9th of September, 2021. Okay, before we start here, let's warm up again. I have a few little game things that we can do to warm up our brains. Are your brains awake? Can you think? I can. Okay, so I'm ready here. Stand up as usual if I say something correct, and sit down if I say something that's wrong. Everybody understands? Yeah. You look very tired. Okay, here we go. First word here, or the first sentence. We're talking about food now, okay? I'm talking about food mostly and shops. Curry is a material. Curry is a material. No, sit down. Dumplings are from Italy. No, dumplings are from China. Fish and chips are fish with potato chips. Yes, fish with potato chips. Yes, stand up. Kebab is food on sticks. Kebab is food on sticks. Stand up. Yeah. Okay, some of you are awake. Noodles are vegetables. No, they're not vegetables. Paella comes from Spain. Yes, it does. Paella comes from Spain. Very good. Rice and beans is a game. No, rice and beans is food. Okay. Stew is a dessert. No, sit down. Stew is food. It's a dinner. Sushi comes from Japan. Yeah, sushi comes from Japan. Stand up. Tacos are smartphones. Yeah. Tacos are food. They're not smartphones. Tidy means clean and good looking. Yes. Tidy means clean and good looking. A room or the clothes that you're wearing. A supermarket is a very big shop. Yes. Stand up. Stand up. A park is food. A park is food. No, it's not. Sit down. Park is a place where you go for walking and fresh air. You can eat in a restaurant. Yes, you can eat in a restaurant. Yee-hoo! Yeah. A shop sells things. A shop sells things. Yeah, it does. Shop sells sports things, shoes, sports shoes, bags and stuff. They also sell rings, diamonds, all kinds of things, clothes, shirts, shops. Okay, one more thing before we stop here. Lampoon Stadium is a sports center. Yes, it is. Lampoon Stadium is a sports center. Okay, now we've warmed up our brains. Now we can start. Yeah. Today I'll start with the cards as usual. We have some new cards now about musical instruments. So if you want to follow my cards, please bring out your My Lexicon and go to series 5, okay? I will start up on series 5 today, if you don't mind. Don't worry if it's new words, I'll take it easy and I'll explain as well as I can, okay? So, musical instruments, that's fun. Do you play a musical instrument? Anybody? Can you play an instrument? Anybody? Can you play guitar? Can you play drums? No? Yeah? Okay. So here we have them. First one here is called saxophone. Saxophone. It's a brass instrument made of metal. I will show you pictures later. S-A-X-O-P-H-O-N-E. Saxophone. Then we have violin. Violin. V-I-O-L-I-N. It's an old instrument made of wood. I'll show you later. Violin. Drums. One drum, two drums with an S. So many drums. D-R-U-M-S. Clarinet, it's a kind of big flute, black color. Sidam, black color. Clarinet, C-L-A-R-I-N-E-T. Lovely sound, lovely instrument. Flute. Well, I think that some of you P6 students at Darun Patana, you can play the flute. I've seen you. You play flutes, you practice the flute. F-L-U-T-E. So that's nice. And keyboard. A keyboard is, it looks like a piano, but it is more like a computer. You can use different keys, you can adjust it, you can make funny noises. So keyboard is like an electronic piano. K-E-Y-B-O-A-R-D. Keyboard. Cymbals. Cymbals. Cymbals are very noisy. You have them when you play drums. They're made of metal, they are round and they are big, and you can smash them together. That's a cymbal. C-Y-M-B-A-L-S. One cymbal, two cymbals. Then we have electric guitar. Well, it's a guitar that you can connect to sound systems and computers, and you can make all kinds of fun noises with a guitar. So I love electric guitars. I love to listen to anything from classic music to heavy metal rock and roll music. Yeah. Electric guitar, ELECTRIC, GUITAR. Trumpet, ooh, very noisy instrument made of metal, brass metal. I'll show you pictures later with 3 buttons, 3 vents on it. TRUMPET. And then we have a trombone, TROMBONE. It looks a little like a trumpet, but it is much longer. It's a long instrument, and you move a handle back and forward, and it goes. Trombone, TROMBONE. So that's it. Those were the new instruments today. And now please go to your My Lexicon. And as usual, please bring out your notebooks if you have them. Bring them out because there are 8 new words today. Okay, so I'm starting up on number 101, series 5. The first word is music. Music is something, sounds, notes, that you think are nice. They come in a sequence and you like to listen to it. We call that music. Yes. Music. Number 102, clarinet. That is a black, long kind of flute, about 75 centimeters long. We will look at a picture in a moment. Clarinets. 103, cymbal. Round metal, they look like 2 plates, and you have a handle and a handle, and you go. Or if you are a drummer, you sit with drums, you can hit it. That is a cymbal. 104, drum, 1 drum, 2 drums. So, okay, that's a drum, DRUM. 105 would be an electric guitar. Okay, pop artists and rock stars, they like to play electric guitar. We will look at some nice pictures of that too in a moment. Flute, yeah, the little thing, about 30 centimeters long. They're usually made of wood or plastic. Flute, F-L-U-T-E. Keyboard, same as a piano. Ding, 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 ding. Ding, 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 ding. Ding, 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 ding. So an electronic piano. Keyboard, K-E-Y-B-O-A-R-D. Saxophone is a very big instrument, very large, very long, and you move a handle in and out. Sorry. That was not a saxophone. A saxophone looks like an S, okay? So it's a trumpet-like thing. It looks like an S. Saxophone. Careful with that one. It might sound a little naughty if you say it wrong. Saxophone. 109, trombone. That is a long instrument with a handle that you move in and out. Trombone. Trumpet, number 110. You hold it like this. Yep. Trumpet. The military play trumpets in the morning, trumpet horns to wake everybody up. Violin. Okay, violin. V-I-O-L-I-N. It's a nice old instrument, very old. It goes back hundreds of years. 112, beautiful. Well, we know what that is. Something that looks very good. You like to look at it. Beautiful. 113, loudly. Uh-oh, that's a lot of noise. Ow, too much sound. I cannot listen, it's too noisy. Okay? Loudly. Loudly and noisy are the same. L-O-U-D-L-Y. 114, band. If you are a pop star, maybe 4, 5 people play together. They play drums, they sing, they play guitar, they play bass guitar. So they form a band, B-A-N-D. 115, copy. Yeah, if you have something that you have made on paper, a piece of paper, you write something or make a picture, and you want to give your picture to your friends, you can make a copy in a machine, and you give papers to your friends with the same picture. That is a copy. Copy, C-O-P-Y. Number 116, ocarina. Ocarina. Americans say ocarina, it doesn't matter. Ocarina. That is a small clay instrument made from porcelain, yeah, porcelain instrument. It looks a little bit like a fish body, but without a tail. It's thicker at one end and then thins out at the other. That is an ocarina. 117, instrument. All of the things that I've been explaining now, they are instruments. So instruments for music. There are also computer instruments, but not today. Instruments that you play on, we are looking at today. Instrument. Instrument. 118, delicious. Okay, last week we did food. If you like food, if it tastes good, you like it, we say delicious food. But music can be delicious too. You like it very much. So this is delicious. Delicious. 119, sound. I can hear it. Sound. 120, vibrate. Psst, psst, like a telephone. If you put it down, somebody phones you. Psst, psst. That is vibrate or vibration. 121, make tighter. I don't have any string here, but if you tie a rope, you make it tighter. If I have a guitar, I can tighten the strings that you play on. Bong, bong, make tighter. Okay? Make tighter, harder. Number 122, thick, string. It's a string, but it's thick. It's very big. Boom, boom. Thick string. 123, thin, thin string. Ding, ding. Thick string, boom. Thin string, ding. 124, pitch. it's a note or a sound that goes up or down. So the pitch is either up, high, or low. Pitch. Sometimes when you watch American baseball, you have a guy who throws a ball. He pitches. He throws it up and down. Pitch. It's the same thing with sound and music. You pitch something. And 125, finally, last word, describe. If I describe a ball, it is a football, it is round, it is white color and black color, and you can kick it and it can bounce. Describe. You speak to people how something looks and feels. Describe. Okay, let's go to today's lesson before you fall asleep. Share screen? Yeah. Thank you. So today's lesson, we will learn some new words about musical instruments. On the left there, you see musical notes. And on the right, you see a saxophone. That is the instrument that I talked about. It looks like an S, a little bit like the letter S. I'll get back to that in a moment. But first, we have to repeat last week. So series 4 again, number 92, a cinema. A cinema is a place where you can watch movies. You go out on town. You go out to watch a movie. Cinema. Number 93, clue. Sherlock Holmes or a detective, maybe he is looking for a killer or an animal that has escaped, and you find something, maybe a footprint or an object, and you look at it. Aha, this is a dog. Clue. You find something that leads you to something else. Clue. 94, rest. Oh, I am tired, teacher. I must sleep. Rest means do nothing, no activity. You are still. You are not doing anything. Rest. 95, omelette. Omelette is food made from egg or eggs. You whip them and you can put other food into it, an omelette. And then you heat it and make it into a yellow, pasty thing. Very tasty, tastes good. I like omelette. Egg food, omelette. 96, perspiration. Here in Thailand, it's very hot, and if you play football, you get little water drops on your skin. You are very hot, so you have perspiration, little water drops on your skin. Perspiration. 97, blood. It's a red-colored liquid, almost like water, but red color that we have inside our bodies, and it helps to give you oxygen or air to your muscles so you can work. Blood. 98, biscuit. Yummy, yummy. Biscuit is the same as a cookie. It is a sweet, hard bread-like kind of food or dessert, and you take it with coffee or tea or maybe some Coke when you need to wake up, when you need some sugar. Biscuit. 99, design. If you want to make something, a bag or a toy, you draw a picture of it. What does it look like? What is it? And you show your friends, you say, this is my design. This is how it looks. This is how it works. Design. Fashion, clothes, design. Number 100, brain. Right now you are thinking, you are using what's inside your head. You are trying to learn English. So, brain, you need a brain. B-R-A-I-N. Okay, now you can take out your notebooks because now I'm going to the new word. So pay attention, please. 101, music. Again, M-U-S-I-C. And music is sound in sequences, many sounds that go together and you like to hear it. Yeah, there are many types of music. 102, clarinet. Yeah, that's an instrument, a flute, but a very big one with a darker sound. C-L-A-R-I-N-E-T. 103, cymbal, very noisy. If you're playing music that is drama, frightening, you can smack your cymbals together. Cymbal, C-Y-M-B-A-L. 104, drum. Yeah, they keep the pace, they keep the music going. So everybody follows the drum. Drum, D-R-U-M. 105, electric guitar. Try to say guitar. In Thailand, people often say guitar. No, that's not English. We don't say it that way. In English, it is guitar. Okay? Remember that. 106, flute. Flute. 30 centimeter long wooden thing that you blow air through. 107, keyboard. Electronic piano. So it looks like a piano, but it's smaller and it's electric. 108, finally, saxophone. It's a metal, almost gold-colored instrument that looks like an S. You have it at the top there. If you look on the right side at the top, that is a saxophone. Saxophone. Here come the pictures. Okay, we're repeating last week now. So, cinema, cinema. You go to a big hall and you watch a movie together with many, many people. Cinema, cinema. 93, clue. This detective is looking for, it looks like an animal, maybe a bear or something, a very big foot. The footprint is a clue because with the footprint, maybe he can find the animal or the monster. Clue, clue. 94, rest. Oh yeah. My lesson is finished. No more math. Now I can rest. Rest. Number 95, omelette. Oh, yummy, yummy. It is lunchtime. I'm hungry. Omelette made from eggs. Omelette. 96, perspiration. Oh, teacher, it's very hot. I want to use air condition. Perspiration. Perspiration. Water from skin. Blood. This is a kind person who is giving blood to other sick people who need. Maybe they've had an accident and they need to have blood. B-L-O-O-D, blood. 98, biscuit, yummy, yummy, I'm hungry. Biscuit means the same thing as a cookie. B-I-S-C-U-I-T. 99, design. This person is drawing a design. It looks like a kind of box. This is probably a box design. Design. And finally, 100, brain. Right now, today, we are students and we are learning, so we must use our brain, B-R-A-I-N. And now to the new instruments and music today. Number 101, music, M-U-S-I-C, music. Notes that come out and they sound good and you like to listen. Music. This is the clarinet. 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 It's a black, big flute-like instrument that you play with your fingers. Very nice instrument. I like to listen to them, especially if you have many. Clarinet. Cymbal, very noisy, but it's a good instrument for keeping the pace in music, making it dramatic. Cymbal. And here we have the drums. If you watch a pop group or a rock and roll group, they often have big drum sets like this. And the drummers are very skilled. They are very good at playing drums. Drum, one drum, two drums, D-R-U-M. 105, electric guitar, electric guitar. Yeah, singers and pop stars, they like to play guitar. And this one has 6 strings. If you look up at the handle there, the wooden part, the yellowish part, you see 6 screws, so it has 6 strings. Very difficult to learn, but not impossible. If you are talented, you can learn to play. Electric guitar. Flute. Yeah, here at Darum Patana, we have some students who play the flute, and usually they are smaller flutes, like the little one there. That is what I think of when I hear flute. But there are also longer flutes, bigger flutes, and some of them you play to the side. You hold them to the side like this and play. Flute, F-L-U-T-E. 107, keyboard. This keyboard also has a tablet. So the person who is playing can see the notes and the music that he or she is playing, and also headphones, so you can listen to the sound. Keyboard. Keyboard, K-E-Y-B-O-A-R-D. 108, this is a saxophone. Saxophone. Saxophone looks a little like an S. And they're made of brass, a gold color, but they can also be silver colored, metal instrument. It has a very interesting sound, and many jazz music players, they like to use the saxophone. Okay, let's play a game now before we get too tired. Wake up again. Okay, P61 against P62.
นี่เป็นคำศัพท์เดิมนะคะในสัปดาห์ที่แล้วนะลูกนะดังนั้นใครจดไว้เอาขึ้นมาดูเลยเดิมใครอยากตอบนะคะลูกใครอยากตอบเดี๋ยวคุณแดงขออนุญาตกด 1มาเลย
The first words are the old ones from last week. So we have cinema, clue, rest, omelette, perspiration, blood, biscuit, design, brain, and rest again. So we have rest 2 times to get 10 words. So number 1, what would you like to have for lunch today, Jean? That's a boy. I'm going to have a tasty chit and ice cream dessert. Little bit difficult, first question.
right
Omelette.
Omelette? No, it could have been, but it's not. Think of food from India. What do people in India like?
Flu.
Sorry?
Flu.
No.
ขอเปลี่ยนเป็นนน
Oh, okay. Yeah,
ครับ
I think I'm thinking of the wrong thing here now.
rest เหรอครับ
No, okay.
โอเคซินิมาครู
No, it's not clue.
อ่า
It has, oh, sorry.
research
You did say omelette, didn't you? I was thinking of curry there, but it is omelette. Yeah, okay. Sorry. Tell you what, I'll give 1 point both to 6-1 and 6-2. Okay. Sorry about
เอา
that.
ใหม่ด้วยเอาใหม่ค่ะ
It was another list I was thinking of. So there we have it, omelette. Number 2, Wes, today was very long with hard work. I have to chit now. No problem. I'll wake you up in 1 hour. Long with hard work. I have to chit now.
Rest.
Yes,
ถ้าไม่อยาก
rest.
ตอบกดหนึ่งมาลูกกดหนึ่งมานะคะ
Very
ใคร
good.
จะตอบให้กดหนึ่งมาเลยอาจารย์จะได้เห็นเนาะ
Rest, correct. Was that 6-1?
รอห้องด้วยลูก
Slash 2.
6-2. Okay, thank you. And number 3, Bim, would you like a chit with your coffee? Okay, but make it 2. I feel a little bit tired.
น้ำฟ้า
biscuit ค่ะ
Biscuit, yes, correct answer. Very good. Very
ร
good.
อห้องด้วยลูก
6/2
6/2, thank you. I think we need to go up.
น้ำฟ้า
Can we get higher volume here? Where is the button? FN. Yeah, thank you. Number 4, Mandy, that's a girl. Mandy, shall we play some chess now? Why? Because I want to exercise my chit. Okay, Einstein.
เลย
brain
Brain, yes, correct. Very good. 6.
6/1
Huh?
6/1
Yeah, 6/1. Please, students, try to speak loud because I have a problem hearing you here. Okay, number 5, Kim, we just have to go to the chit this evening. Yes, they are showing a new Marvel movie.
เตอร์
Cinema.
Cinema, that is correct. Very good.
รอห้องด้วยครับ
6/1.
6/1. So 6/1, you have 3 points. 6/2, you have 3 points also. Very good. Number 6, Mom, I'm going for my jogging exercise now. Really? It's 36 degrees outside. You will have a lot of chit.
โน่น
kalu นะครับ
No.
ออกกำลังกายลูกจะมีอะไรออกมา
Water.
perspiration
Perspiration. Okay.
รอห้องด้วยครับ
Perspirate.
6/1
6/1. Yeah, a long word. Number 7. Help me, Joe. I don't understand the chit in this crossword. Oh, it says not fun. The word is boring. Yes, thank you.
ไปครู6 ทับ 1 ค่ะ
ครู
Clue, yes, clue. Fantastic, very good. 6/1. 6/1. Okay. 6/1 now have 5 points. 6/2 have 3. Come on, 6/2. You need to fight back. Number 8. Teacher, why does chit have a red color? Because it has a lot of iron in it. Iron has a red color.
ร้อย
blood
Blood. Yes, very good. You have a good 6/2. Number 9. We've been walking for 1 hour now, Nick. I need to chit. Yes, you're right. We can sit down by that little river there.
ฟ้าค่ะ
rest
Rest. Yes, very good.
หัวข้อด้วยเลย
6/2
6/2. Okay. 5 points, 5 points. Ooh. Number 10. What are you drawing, Molly? Molly's a girl. I want to chit a t-shirt with a picture on it. Wow, it looks cool.
ร้อย
design
Design. Very, very good. Yes, design.
6/2
6/2. Okay, and now to the new words today. Let's see. Minnie, that's a girl. I heard that a girl from Thailand is a fantastic chit player. Yes, her name is Petty Vimolwan Saisatit. She is famous.
โน้ต
What could that be?
โน้ตค่ะ
symbol
No, it's not symbol. What is Petty famous for? Haven't you been on YouTube? This girl is fantastic. She's a little young girl from Thailand.
go Farudi
No, it's not a flute. Next, please.
คนต่อไปใครจะตอบตัวหนึ่งมาลูกไหนคิว
Long word.
คำยาวๆคิวอ่ะ
Anybody?
อยู่ได้ไหม
Yes, who are you? Please come with your answer. Petty, she's very famous.
แต่ขอเป็นกัน
ครับ electric guitar เหรอครับ
Electric guitar. Yes, congratulations. What class? What class?
6/1
6/1. Yay! Okay. Petty Vimovan is famous. I've listened to her many times. She was only 6 years old when she broke through on YouTube. She can play a guitar like a dream. Wow. I hope you can find her on the internet. She's famous. Number 2, Wesley, that's a boy. Which instrument do you think has the scariest sound? The only one I can think of is the chit.
ร้อย
drum
One more chance. There's one more instrument that sounds scary.
ตัว
keyboard
No, not the flute.
nick
Next, yeah, next. Who wants to try?
นอนลูก
Scary sound dumb
Ah, drums, yeah, okay, they can sound scary, but I'm thinking of one that makes a horrible noise, almost like thunder or lightning. What is that? It begins with a C.
เปลี่ยนเป็นโอมี่
Omi? Come on, Omi. Very quiet today. Where are you?
โอมี่ได้ยินไหม
Yeah. Round metal. They are round, they're made of metal, and when you slam them together.
ไปลูก
Symbol CYMBAL
Yes, symbol. Very good. Yes, there we go. What class?
6/2
6/2. Okay. Keep moving. Number 3, Barney, that's a boy. What is your favorite kind of chit? I like to listen to pop, rock, and country.
music เหรอครับ
Yes, music.
6/1
6/1. Okay, 6/1, you have 7 points. 6/2, you also have 7 points. This is interesting. Number 4, Michelle, what is that terrible noise coming from your house? Well, my little brother likes to hit on his new chit.
แอมบู
You hit on something. What could
แอ
that
มบู
be?
เครื่องดนตรีอะไรที่ใช้ตีลูก
Drum
Drum, yes, correct answer. Yes, drum.
6/1
6/1. Fantastic. Okay. Number 5, students, can you tell me which instrument looks the same as an S? Yes, Louise. Teacher, it must be a chit. Correct.
Saxophone
Saxophone. Very good. Very good. Who was that?
/2
6/2. Okay. 8 points versus 8 points. Ooh. And now the 5 last sentences. Mom, I'm going for my chit piano practice now. Don't forget to bring your notes and iPad. Okay, Mom.
Uri.
Going
Keyboard.
for keyboard. Yes, keyboard. Very good.
6/2
6/2. Miley, that's a girl. What do you do when you get home from school? Oh, I will listen to some chit and later do my homework.
ครับ music เหรอครับ
Yes, music.
6/1
6/1. 9 points, 9 points. Oh, this is getting hard. What is round, 40 to 50 centimeters long, and you blow air into it? Oh, that's very easy. It's a chit.
You.
electric guitar
No, not electric guitar. They're a little longer than 40, 50 centimeters. They're over a meter, probably 1.5. That's very easy. It's you blow air. What instrument could that be?
ได้ไหมลูก five
Flute.
Flute. Yes, correct answer.
Slash 2.
6/2. Yep. Number 9, almost there. Number 9. I want to learn to play the chit. Why? Because I like to hit things and make noise.
คุณแตงให้โอกาสยืนอีกรอบหนึ่งลูก
drum rock
Yes, drum. That is correct. Yeah. Drum. Who are you?
นี่กันแล้ว
1 6
6/1. Okay. 10 points versus 10 points. Ooh, this is the last chance. Help me, Harry. What is black, bigger than a flute, and you blow air into it? My brother has one. It's a chit.
แบมบู
Clarinet.
Yes, it's a clarinet. Wow.
6/1.
6/1. Congratulations. So we have a little winner here. 6/1, you have 11 points. 6/2, you have 10. But we do have a few minutes left, so we can do some work. But I think I will do, this time I have a little homework, so I'll go through that first, and we can continue the lesson afterwards. I have made a Google form again with 10 questions on it, 10 pictures, and it's just multiple choice. So it's like a worksheet. You look at the picture and then there is a question about the picture. What is it? A clarinet or a trumpet or something like that. So that's what we do. So 10 points, you can get 10 points.
วันนี้นะคะมีการบ้านนะลูกนะมีการบ้านเนาะวิชาของวิเชอร์นะคะดังนั้นให้ลูกไปทำการบ้านด้วยอยู่ในคลาสเรียบร้อยค่ะ
I put it up on Google Classroom yesterday, so it should be there, but I will send the link to Teacher Teng here just in case if there's any problem. But I know it works now because Teacher Kwan helped me, so it should be there. It's just for fun. Don't worry. It's not a test. It's just to warm your heads up when you learn the pictures, you learn the instruments. And that's why I made it. So it's quite fun. I think you can do it now after this lesson. Okay. All right. Everybody understands?
เดี๋ยวเข้าใจไหมคะมีการบ้านเนาะอย่าลืมไปทำการบ้านด้วย
I have 8 minutes left, so we can continue the competition a little bit here. We'll do spelling now, as usual, just to round it off. And I'll just do number 101 up to 108 in my lexicon. Good. Can you see? Okay, a little bit higher. Shall we stand? Okay, I hope this works. Here we go. First word is five letters.
Có mưa rồi nèลูกปุริ
float
Flute, that is correct.
สองห้องด้วยครับ
6/2
6/2, okay. We have FLUTE, flute. Next one. We can go for 8. One.
Ơi,
keyboard,
đang luôn.
keyboard,
Keyboard. Did you say keyboard? I think you did. K-E-B. Sorry. K-E-Y-B. Keyboard. What class are you in?
key/1,
6/1. Okay. Very low sound. Four letters.
นะคะ
drum ค่ะ drum,
Drum. Correct answer. D-R-U-M. For class 6/2. Yes. Next one. 9. This pen's no good. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Anybody?
saxophone,
Saxophone. Be careful with that one. Don't say saxophone. Say saxophone. S-A-X-O-P-H-O-N-E. Watch out for the PH. PH in English is the same as an F sound. PH. Same as in photo, we also have PH. Saxophone. And how much time have we got? What class was she in? 6. Minutes. Okay, and finally, one more. 8.
แต่ตัวน้ำฟ้าลูก
clarinet,
Clarinet, that is correct. C-L-A-R-I-N-E-T. And who are you? 6/2. Okay, I think we'll stop there. Okay, everybody, we have a winner here. 6-1 today. You got 12 points. Very good. Thank you. 12 points. But 6-2 were just a little bit ahead, and they get 14 points. Wow. We have a winner. Congratulations. So, what have we learned today, everybody, before I go? What have we learned?
นี่ได้เรียนเกี่ยวกับอะไรบ้างลูก
What did you learn? What is this?
เกี่ยวกับอะไรคะบาย
music,
music
Yeah, music or musical instruments, okay? We learned about instruments today. Thank you, everybody. Well done. I'll see you again next week. Bye-bye.